Thanks very much for staying with us. Let's get you a breaking update of the conversion row. What is being said that there has been a plea that has been filed in the Supreme Court by Swami Jeetendranath Saraswati on the anti-conversion issue that was taken up, saying that in this writ petition filed by the petitioner is pending before the Honorable Court, and the applicant herein is also seeking similar relief, that is to declare religious conversions by intimidation, threatening, deceivingly luring through gifts or for monetary benefits that violates Article 14, 21 and 25 of the Constitution of India, and to also take stringent steps to control such fraudulent religious conversions. Now, it was just last week when the centre had also acknowledged, as far as the answer that was sought by the Supreme Court on forced religious conversions when it comes to a plea that was taken up by a top advocate. The centre in its response had said and informed the Supreme Court that it will be taking appropriate steps to stop forced religious conversions in the country. Now, this was revealed in its affidavit that was filed before the Supreme Court, which a hearing of the plea is also taking place on senior advocate's plea, Ashwini Kumar Upadhyay. Let's shift our focus to other top stories. In the latest, the CBI has now served notices to Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao's daughter and the TRS MLC K. Kavita, directing her to depose as a witness in the ongoing probe into the Delhi excise policy scam. Now, K. Kavita, who was given the liberty to choose her city and location of her choice for questioning on the 6th of December, has now said that she will be allowing, as far as the CBI officials, to come to her residence for questioning. Now, earlier she was named in the ED remand report as far as the arrest of the accused Amit Arora in the case is concerned. Bhavtosh, good morning. What is being said as far as the ED remand report is concerned, that 100 crores from a group called the South Group, controlled by Sarath Reddy and allegedly by K. Kavita, were by various persons, including with Amit Arora, that has been allegedly disclosed during the recording of his statement.
Well, as far as the case is concerned, at least the last big name that was questioned by the Central Bureau of Investigation was Manish Sisodia, whose statement was recorded on 17th of October, and then high drama followed when Manish Sisodia had claimed that CBI is coercing him to join BJP, and then CBI issued a statement denying all these charges. Now, CBI had filed its first charge sheet in this case, in which they have named Aam Aadmi Party chief campaigner Vijay Nair as one of the accused and 6 others. The next day, the Enforcement Directorate filed its own charge sheet. A few days back, that's on Monday, the Enforcement Directorate had arrested Amit Arora, and during his custodial remand, they had submitted court documents in which they have said that Vijay Nair, who was in fact Aam Aadmi Party office bearer, while taking alleged kickbacks of around 100 crore rupees, he in fact got this kickback from a Southern Group, which was led by K. Kavita and also by Sarath Reddy, who is a promoter of Aurobindo Pharma, which is worth at least 23,000 crore rupee. Now, this 100 crore rupees came from the Southern Group. Interestingly, of the 32 retail zones in Delhi, 9 retail zones were in fact backed by the Southern Group. CBI has said that she's not an accused in this case. She is a witness, and her statement will be recorded at her residence on 6th of December.
So the TRS MLC has earlier said that she and her party leaders, who are currently under the radar of the central agencies such as the ED and the CBI, were ready to face any inquiry, however also alleging political vendetta. Bhavtosh, thank you very much for the moment. You're watching Times Now. Back after a short break.